Today I want to show you guys this espresso machine. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, this is really nice compact unit. It has built-in steamer and it also gives you hot water, as you see from the outlet here. And it has built-in coffee grinder. You can just put your beans and it will grind it for you. You have the selections option for the coarseness, whatever the coarseness you need. You have is from 1 to 20, and it has really nice large water capacity. You can see it is pretty large, so very easy to take it out and refill. You can also refill while it is here, so that is pretty useful. So over here you can see these are the menu options. You have grinding, steam, and cold espresso, as well as hot. So if you want to make one or two shot, if you press one, it will produce one shot. If you press two times, it will give you two like double shot espresso. So let's go ahead and grind the coffee. So you press this and it will start the grinding. You see it will just continue. And if you want to change the predefined settings, you can also press and stop. But if you want to change the timer, you press and hold 5 seconds, and then you decide whatever the timer you want. So you can see it grinds pretty nice depending on your selection. So you have this basic temper. You just use it and you can just temp the coffee. So let's go ahead and do that. And you have a indicator on the top showing you what is the max level. You can just do that. If you think it is need more coffee, you can add more grinding and just select whatever the amount of seconds it needs to run. Just by pressing and pressing again, it will just stop. So very easy operation. You just put it there, just turn it, and once it's on this position, you can stop. So it makes pretty decent coffee, you will see. So let's go ahead and do double shot. As we're gonna do two, we will press two times, once and two times. You will see it will start heating and it will produce the coffee. You see it has really nice texture, very creamy. You can see looks really nice. Let's let it run and finish. You can see really nice layers. Once it finish, you will see it will stop and it will continue dripping a little bit. As you can see, it has pretty nice layer. You can see really nice uh, creamy top on the top. You can see. So you can also make the milk. It doesn't come with the container, so if you have one already, you can use it. So the way you would normally do, you would press the steam button here. The machine, if it's not hot, you will see progress bar. It will heat up, and once you turn the knob, you will see it is going to start producing the steam. So you might wait a little bit. So you can see right now it's producing. Just gave water, so you can just turn it off. If you need to just come back again, you can just do so. You can see it is providing pretty good amount of steam. You also have more option. You just go more, it will go all the way down, and you can reduce it like this. You can see, you can change, you can adjust. So that is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and make the milk. So once you are ready, you can just position and make your milk. And it heats up really nice. You can So once you are done and if you are satisfied the thickness, you can continue, you can stop. But so let's stop it, and you can just stop it like this, and you would just wipe it out and clean. So you would just tap a little bit. It still need more time, but overall you can see uh, this just makes really nice coffee. As you see, looks beautiful, delicious. So overall this is really cool machine. You can also make a cold press. Let's also try to do that. So for the cold espresso, I did the same. I just grind the coffee, place it in place, and you would press the cold espresso button here, and you can do the same, one or two, and then it will start. So it will make the coffee with the room temperature, whatever the water inside, so it will just produce coffee as you can see. And you can also add some ice cubes to make it better. So and you can see it has this nice layers again, very creamy. So overall it does pretty good job making the espresso, and it provides consistent taste every single time when you make. So the only thing, it has this temper, it is plastic. It would be nice to have something a little bit heavier, and also doesn't come with the milk container, but if you have one in hand, that is fine. So overall really cool machine, provides good quality coffee for the price point. So if you guys are thinking to get one, you can give it a try, and you will see the taste. Overall provides really good value. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.